Hello, what is up everybody? Welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can buy Ethereum on Binance. So it's pretty simple to buy Ethereum in Binance. So right now I'm in Binance right now. So yeah, before starting this video, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe button with notification turned on to our channel so you guys can get notified for our future Binance related videos and other cryptocurrency related videos as well. And yeah, you guys can use our referral link down in the description to sign up to Binance and get $10 bonus. If you use our link, you can get a $10 bonus. So if you want to sign up into Binance, you can use our link. So let's get into the video now. So once you're in Binance over here, just like I am, you want to log in into your account and you want to go to Binance.com. You want to type Binance.com and you want to come into this website and log in into your account. After you log into your Binance account, basically you want to go where it says markets over here. You want to click on markets. Wait for some time. Once you're in markets, it's going to show you all the cryptocurrency over here which is available on Binance. So right now we want to know how you guys can buy Ethereum, right? So to buy Ethereum, you want to search Ethereum. So Ethereum is right now second over here, and over here you can see its current value. 1 Ethereum equals to $2,571.62, and it price goes up and down. So by the time you see the video, it might be up or it might be down. So let's say I want to buy Ethereum. I want to go over here where it says trade. I want to click on trade. Once I'm in trade over here, as you guys can see over here in this section, you want to be in buy. Green means buy and red means sell. If it is in red, that means you're in sell. If it is in green, that means you're in buy. So just remember that. You want to be in the section called buy. Now over here, you can enter the amount of Ethereum you want to buy. Let's say I want to buy 1 Ethereum. I enter the Ethereum over here, the amount of Ethereum I want to buy. And over here, it shows me the price. I'm buying in USDT. I can buy in whichever, form I want, right? So if I want to change it from USDT to other stuff, I can just click on this arrow over here and change it to whichever I want. And after you enter the amount of Ethereum you want to buy, you see the price over here. And after you see the price, you click on buy Ethereum and buy the Ethereum. And this Ethereum is going to cost me this total over here. After that, I just click on buy ETH and then I will be buying Ethereum. So that's basically how you guys can buy Ethereum on Binance. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And if you guys want to sign up to Binance, you can use our referral link down in the description so you guys can get $10 bonus. And I will see you guys in another video. Bye bye.